Oftentimes when kids come to my classes, they say to me, I can't draw, or I'm not good at drawing. So first of all, one word that I don't allow in my classes is not good or bad, because I don't actually believe that that's true. I think there's different levels of skill, but I think that everybody is capable of drawing. Your drawing might not look like someone who's been drawing for 10 years or 20 years. It might not even look like the drawing of someone else in the class, but that is art. No two pieces of artwork are ever going to be the same. If they were, it'd be a forgery. When I'm teaching drawing, I think it's really important to break it down into steps to make it seem more manageable. For example, when we're drawing a hand, the hand is one of the most complicated parts of the body to draw. You need to break it down into steps. You need to look at the overall shape of the hand. See, it could be the shape of a mitten. So now you've simplified a really complicated hand into a really simple mitten shape. You're breaking it down for your students, so you're making it much easier to draw and to understand. And again, if you understand the steps of what you're doing, you're much more likely to be able to repeat those steps again and again after you finish the class. I think by breaking down drawing into steps, you demystify it. You make it much easier to do as a total beginner by understanding that everything is made up of simple shapes. Like your head can be an oval, or maybe even more square-like, or with a rectangular area for the jaw and more pointed area for the chin. By breaking it down into these steps, you're saying, actually, this isn't as complicated as we thought it was, and really, I actually can draw.